about the portal? Okay.
No, I know, but I haven't opened it yet.
Very good. Okay, no problem. We will solve this assignment in 2 minutes. So they are saying that question number second, you can see. Okay, if a ray of light goes from denser medium, first I am telling what I have discussed in the last class. So in the last class I have discussed the refraction of light. Okay, Hamna. Hello Hamna, how are you? Hello Hamna, how are you? So we are discussing the refraction of light. Okay, my voice is okay, guys?
Yes,
Sarah,
sir.
my voice is okay, na?
Yes.
Hamna, are you getting me? You can write is in the chat box if you don't want to speak. Okay. So we were discussing the refraction of light. So refraction of light is the when a light ray travels from one medium to another medium, there is a bending of light, and that bending of light is known as the refraction of light. Okay, there are some terms I have told you. What is incident ray? What is refracted ray? What is interface? Okay, what is normal? So incident ray is the ray which incident on the interface from the medium 1 here you can see, and when it enters into the medium 2 it bends towards the normal, or it can bend away from the normal also depending upon the medium, and this I is the angle the incident ray makes with the normal. This is known as angle of incidence, and this refracted ray makes an angle R with the normal. This angle is known as the angle of refraction. And cause of refraction is there are different speeds of light in different mediums. And what is a medium? A substance which travels, a substance in which the light can travel. There are two types of medium, rarer medium and denser medium. In a rarer medium, speed of light is more. In denser, speed of light is less. I have given the example also for rarer and denser medium. Now, I have also told you about when a light travels from rarer to denser medium. This is the rarer medium and this is the denser medium, and light ray is traveling from this rarer medium to denser medium. And whenever the light ray will travel from rarer medium to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. It will bend towards the normal. It means the angle of incidence will be greater than the angle of refraction. Second case was when the light travels from denser medium to rarer medium. This is the denser medium. This is the rarer medium. This is the interface of the two mediums. Okay. So here the light ray is traveling like this. After the refraction, the light ray is moving away from the normal. Here, this angle will be greater. Means angle of refraction will be greater than angle of incidence. And if the light ray is traveling like this means light ray is traveling making an angle of 90 degree with the interface, then there will be no refraction. Okay, Arshia,
Sir.
beta, you are in this class also?
Sir, she's new.
What?
She is
Okay,
new.
okay. Actually, I am discussing here the refraction. Okay, refraction of light. Are you getting?
Sir, is this the same old class, like repeat, or this is different, right?
This is a different class, beta. This is a class with some different batch.
Oh,
Yeah.
I got this link to join.
Okay, who told you to join the link?
My dad.
Your dad. Okay, just give me
He
the
got a
minute.
link from someone from
Okay,
Learnivio.
okay, I am just asking. Give me just 2 minutes, all of you. Okay, Arshia. Uh, what we will do, I have just started the refraction of light here. Okay, and for the reflection part, whether we will operation team will send you recording of my lectures, or either we will take a one-to-one class for covering up. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So from now, we I have started the reflection of light. So this is the second lecture. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
trying to understand it. So I am just discussing this. So this was the assignment I have given to all of you. The question answer second. They are saying a ray of light goes from denser medium to rarer medium. Will it bend towards the normal or away from the normal? So, Sarah, can you tell me? This is a very easy question.
Sir, 1 minute.
Answer of this question. A ray of light is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium. And I have told
Sir,
you,
from less to
means
more.
away from the normal, na?
Yeah. Yeah.
So you can say whenever a light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium, it will bend away from the normal. It will bend away from the normal. Okay?
Yes.
And leave this question right now. Just do this. A beam of light traveling in air, incident on water, draw the ray diagram. These questions we will do in the next class. So I am just revising it for Arsia once more. Okay? All of you please. So Arsia, please see here. Are you there? Okay.
Yes.
I'm just revising this once again. Okay. After that, we will. I will discuss further. So in this class, I have discussed the refraction of light. So what is the refraction of light? Refraction of light is when a light ray is traveling from one medium. Suppose here is a air, here is a glass, and this light ray is traveling from this air to the glass. So this light ray is bending like this, and this bending of light is known as the refraction of light. And there are some terms in refraction of light. Here is the interface, here is one medium, here is one medium, suppose here is air, here is another medium, suppose here is glass. So light rays traveling from one medium to another medium, and this is the normal. I have told you in the reflection also. So this is angle of incidence, this is angle of refraction, and whenever a light ray travels from one medium to another medium, it bends. And okay, and the cause of refraction is the light have the different speed in different medium. Suppose light coming from this light source have some different speed, because here is air around me and light is traveling here with a speed of 3 into 10 to the power meter 10 to the 8 meter per second. But when this light will travel in this glass, this is the glass phone, so in this the light will travel, the speed of the light will change, and due to the change in the speed of the light, there is a phenomena known as the refraction. And there is a term which is known as the medium, and medium is air is a medium, water is a medium, oil is a medium, some gases can be the medium. So you can define the medium, a substance in which light travels is known as the medium. And mediums are of two types, one is rarer medium, another is denser medium. Rarer medium is a medium in which the speed of light is more, okay, and
Okay,
denser
sir.
medium, and denser medium is a medium in which the speed of light is less. So, and one thing more, whenever the light travels from rarer to denser, it will bend towards the normal. Whenever the light travels from denser to rarer, it will bend away from the normal. Okay, and one thing more, when the light ray travels normally to the interface containing one medium and another medium, then it will go straight, there will be no diffraction. So we have discussed this. Okay, all of you,
Okay.
very good. So now there are in the reflection, there are laws of reflection, means reflection takes place according to some laws. Now refraction also takes place with some laws, and nature has given these laws. Okay, so write the heading, laws of refraction. Now this time this is A. Laws of refraction. Here is some medium 1. Medium means the air in which the light travels. In medium is a substance in which the light travels. This here is the air around myself, around me. So this air is known as the medium. Light can also travel in the glass. So glass is a medium. Suppose here is a medium 1. For example, you can take here is air, and here is another medium, medium 2. Suppose here is water, means light is traveling from air to water, and this is the interface of both the medium. Means from here, when you will travel from here, another medium will be start, another medium will start. So this is the interface of the medium, both the medium. And a light ray is coming like this, light ray is coming like this, and one thing is more here, please concentrate here. This line is very important. This line is known as normal. I am again telling what is normal. This is the interface. Here is air, and here is some other water. Here is a water. This is the interface between the air and water, and light rays coming like this. So normal is a line which is perpendicular to this interface. Okay. Normal is a line which is perpendicular to this interface. Means this is making an angle of 90 degree with the interface, this normal. So what will happen if I am extending this normal? This line, whole line is the normal. Now light is coming like this, light ray is coming like this, and what will happen, as air is a rarer medium, means in air the light speed is more, and water is a denser medium. So whenever the light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. This is the rule of nature. This is the rule, means whenever the light travels from rarer medium to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. If there is no medium, then light may go like this, straight. But due to the medium change, the light is traveling like this is not the actual path of the light, this is the actual path of the light. So here light is going like this after the reflection, and this angle is the angle of incidence, this angle is the angle of incidence. Means the incident ray, this is the incident ray. Incident ray, and this is the refracted ray. This is the refracted ray, and R is the angle of refraction, and this is the point of incident where the light strikes. So first law of refraction is incident ray refracted ray and the normal at the point of incidence what is the point of incidence here is O. This point is the point of incidence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All means incident ray, reflected ray, normal. All lie on the same plane. So what is the meaning of this statement? This is a plane. This is a plane. This is a plane. So plane means you can imagine a plane like the page of your copy and the front side of your phone. So these incident ray, refracted ray, normal, all are lying on this plane. Okay. This is the first law of refraction. In reflection also we have incident ray, reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incident lie on the same plane. But here also we have this. And second law of this is see this figure. From here, the light is traveling from this medium 1 to another medium. Refraction is taking place. Okay, and this angle is the angle of incidence. This angle is the angle of refraction. Means the refracted ray making an angle with normal is known as the angle of refraction, and the normal, or you can say incident ray making an angle with normal, is known as the angle of incidence. So I and R are the two angles here. So do you know sine, cos, tan? Anyone? Trigonometry?
No.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that will be also in this.
Hmm?
Those things will be in physics.
No, will be used in physics. Okay. So second law of refraction is, if you will take sine of angle of incidence, ratio of sine of angle of incidence, ratio of, this is S, sine of angle of R, then you will get this as constant. For a given pair of media. Media means plural of medium. So if you will take sine of this angle divided by sine of this angle, this will always remain constant for two mediums. This is the second law. Got it?
Yes, sir.
We will solve some numericals on this also, then you will get it better. So now you guys can note it down. Arshia, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
But you, all of you can note it down now. Oh, shit. Writing, guys, are you
Yes,
writing this? Okay, please write.
Second scroll.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. All of you done? Hamna?
Yes, sir, done.
समझ में आया आपके? Got this?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. Now, this is the second law. If you will take sine of angle of incidence, sine of angle of refraction, you have a chapter in 10th class trigonometry I think, है ना?
Yes.
So there you will study sine theta, cos theta, sine, cos, tan, and all of these things.
Yeah, we already did.
Then it's good. So there is a term that I will define here, the refractive index. Okay.
Yeah.
There is one more term, then I will define refractive index. Refractive index. So refractive, there are several ways to define the refractive index. So I will define it like I am taking here medium air, here is another medium, here is some medium. Okay, here is some medium, and here is a air, and light rays traveling like this. Light rays traveling like this. This is a light ray from air to, and we will draw one normal also. This is the normal which is perpendicular to this surface. Interface. This is the interface, and this normal is making an angle 90 degree with this. So as the light is traveling from air is rarer medium, I am considering air as a rarer medium as compared to this medium. Okay, so what will happen? Actually, this line is not looking straight, but you should consider this as a straight line in your mind. So this light ray will go like this, means bend towards the normal. Suppose this is a rarer medium. This is a denser medium. This is, and light ray is traveling from air to any other denser medium. This is I. This will be the some angle incidence, angle of incidence. This is the angle of refraction. Then if you will take the ratio of sine of angle of I, when light is traveling from air, specifically air, to any other medium, sine of angle of R, then this term is known as the refractive index. This is known as the refractive index. But it is must that light ray is coming from the air. So you can write this angle of incidence is from air with respect to air, and this angle of refraction can be any medium, water, oil, medium. and this refractive index is represented, you can represent it with n, small n. So this refractive index is represented by small n, and this is equal to sine I is equal to divided by sine of r when light is coming, light is, you can say, traveling from air to any other medium. Light is traveling from air to any other medium. Air to any other medium. And this is the refractive index of medium. Refractive index. This is the definition of refractive index. Refractive index have some value also. Like for glass, the value of refractive index n is equal to 3 by 2. Refractive index has no unit because here is sin I, here is sin r, divided, no unit. For air, the value of refractive index is equal to 1. Okay. So you can write one line for the refractive index, that the refractive index gives of medium. There can be the medium, means air as a medium, water as a medium, oil as a medium. All medium have different refractive indices. Okay. So the refractive index of medium gives the indication of light bending ability of medium. Light bending ability means how much amount of light, means to which angle the light will be bent. For example, I am giving one example here. Suppose light is traveling like this from one medium to, this is medium 1, this is M2, means medium 2. Light is traveling like this. There can be the possibility that light is traveling like this, not the straight line, but this is the normal. Okay, and this is the light ray, and first what is happening, light is traveling from this medium 1, air, to any other medium. Okay, just concentrate here, this is very important. Light is striking at this point, and after striking, the light is traveling like this, uh, like this. Okay, like this light is traveling. This is the bending of light. But what happens, it can also be happen that the bending of light can be more towards the normal. If you will change, suppose that again the light is traveling from air to the medium, this is the air, and here is a medium 3. Now the light is traveling from, suppose here, you can imagine, suppose here the light is traveling from air to the medium 2, and that medium is water. Let's take the example. Light is bending this much bending of light, means you can say this is as R1. And now light is traveling from air to glass. Now, but at the same time, the light is bending more here. Light is bending more this time. Means this angle R will be R2. This R2 will be smaller than R1. So refractive index will tell you the refractive index of glass is greater than the refractive index of water. If this thing is happening, means more is the bending, more will be the refractive index of the medium. So this is the thing that I want to tell you. So the meaning of this statement is that
Sir, media was plural or singular of medium?
What happened?
I'm asking medium. I mean, sorry,
Yeah,
media
yeah,
was
yeah. So one thing more, when you will compare the refractive index of glass, you will find the refractive index of glass will be greater than the refractive index of Ri, means refractive index of water. Water means this glass will bend more light than water. Okay, guys, the physical significance of refractive index is that so you can write therefore light rays bend more on passing from air into glass than from air into water. So the refractive index decides the bending ability of the medium. Suppose if you have a two medium like air and water, so light is traveling from air to water. So in this case, the light will bend less as compared to the light is traveling from air to the glass. Okay, because the refractive index of the glass is more than that of refractive index of water. Please note it down, all of you. And do you have any doubt, Sarah, Arthia, and Hamna?
No,
You
sir.
can
no, sir.
you can ask me.
So can you
So
scroll up?
scroll up. Okay,
No. Down.
is it fine?
Yeah.
So it means this is a new term, refractive index, for you. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But should I scroll down or are you writing?
Sir, writing.
Okay. And please ask if you have any doubt. Any problem you have, can ask me about this. Is my voice is cracking or is it okay?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
You can scroll
Okay.
a little up.
Okay, fine. Is it fine now?
Yeah.
There is one more definition of refractive index that we will discuss here.
Second scroll.
Hamna, are you writing or not?
Yes, sir, I'm writing.
Okay, beta. And Hamna, are you getting the things I'm teaching?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask about the refraction and refractive index and all that. These are very, very easy things. But you should revise your notes also. You have to do the hard work also.
We're done.
Second.
All of you done?
Yeah.
Okay. Hmm. Now we will solve one question. Just focus here and see how I am solving the question. And Sarah, this is the way to solve the question. Okay. First, I am
Yeah.
writing the question. A ray of light passes from air to passes from air to a substance X. If the angle of incidence is 60°, if the angle of incidence is 60°, and the angle of refraction and the angle of REF refraction is 30°, find the refractive index of medium X. Find the refractive index of medium X. So beta, first to solve the question, you have to read the question at least one time. A ray of light, try to understand the language of the question, all of you. A ray of light passes from air to a substance X. If the angle of incidence is 60° and the angle of refraction is 30°, find the refractive index of the medium. So, and always try to draw the diagram, draw the rough diagram. Always try to draw the rough diagram. The question solving for you will be easy by drawing the rough diagram. So just I am drawing the rough diagram. So this is the interface, and here is a air, suppose, and here is a medium X given to us. Medium X given to us, and a light ray is coming like this. Light ray means a ray of light is coming like this, no? A ray of light is coming like this. And what you will do, you will draw a normal. This is the normal. And this normal, I have told you, make the angle 90° with the interface. This is the interface between the air and this medium X.
Yes.
Yeah. And they are saying that, and you know that the air is a rarer medium here.
Yeah.
And this medium will be denser. So what will happen with this light ray? This will bend towards the normal. This will bend towards the normal like this. We will take the same color light ray, yellow color. Okay. So reflection will take place like this. Bend towards the normal. This is the normal. N is for normal. And this angle of incidence I, angle of reflection R. What is angle of incidence given? Sarah?
60°.
Very good. This angle is 60°, means this angle is 60°, and angle of R means reflection.
30.
Means this angle is 30°. You can write here also. And they are asking the refractive index of the medium. Now go to the refractive index. Refractive index is equal to sine of I divided by sine of R.
Yeah.
When light is traveling from air to any other medium. Here also the light is traveling from air to this medium.
Yeah.
And you want to find the refractive index of the medium. So you will write refractive index of medium X, and I am representing the refractive index with small n, and that small n will equal to sine of angle of this, sine of angle of R. So you will write sine, what is this? I, sine 60 degree divided by sine 30 degree. Can anyone tell me the value of sine 60 degree? Anyone? You guys have already studied, you are seeing the trigonometry.
No, sir.
Okay, no problem. So anyone, any other? Sarah and Hamna, do you know what is sine 60 degree? No problem. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 divided by 2, and sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Sine 90 is equal to 1. You will get this in the, okay. So Sarah, now have you got the answer? Means we are using this sign here for calculating the refractive index. Actually, for studying the physics, we use the basics of mathematics also. Okay. So sine 60, you will write root 3 divided by 2. For sine 30, you will write 1 divided by 2. When you will solve, can you solve this expression?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay, all of you, please try this. This is very basic calculation. And you can write the answer in terms of root 3 also. All of you, what is your name? Arshia, Hamna, and Sarah, please try this. If you will try to solve this, this will help you.
Sir, is it root 3 by 2?
Okay, fine. Any other? No. Okay, no problem. So what you will do in these types of calculations when you are getting? So what you write this term first. And this is the division sign.
Sir,
Right?
is it root 3?
Yeah, you are right, beta. So this is and here is a sign of division. If you will take this sign, if you will take this sign, then you will write this 2 divided by 1, opposite of it, and this 2 is 2 gone, so you will get root 3 divided by 1, and that is root 3. So refractive index n of the medium, you will get the answer as root 3. This is the answer. All of you, please note it down. See, these very easy questions, but you have to practice these questions. Okay, please note it down, the question and the answer also.
Sir, done.
And please try to make the rough figure. At least try. I am not saying mandatory, but you should try to make the rough figure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or Hamna, got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please note down this answer and question also. So in these types of question you will get in your examination also, in your board exam also. You have to just know the formula, what is the refractive index. But the condition, there is a necessary condition for calculating the refractive index. The light ray must travel from air to any other medium. If suppose if this light ray is traveling from water to this medium, then we cannot say this is the refractive index of this medium. We will discuss these things earlier, in the later. Written, all of you?
Yes, sir. Sir, what if it's passing from air to water?
what is happening when it is passing from air to water? Same phenomena will take place. It will bend towards the normal because air is a rarer, water is a denser medium,
Yeah.
and yeah, fine. Na? If you are saying if what happened if this ray is traveling from air to water, na? Sarah?
Yes, sir.
So if this is suppose here is a medium and light here is a air and here is a water, okay, and the light ray is traveling from air to water. What you will do first? You will always draw the normal. So I have told you air as a rarer medium and water as a denser medium. You can check your notes.
Yeah.
And whenever a light ray is travel from rarer to denser medium, it will bend towards the normal. Bend towards the normal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if a light ray, suppose here is a light ray, here is a water, and here is a air, and light rays traveling from water to air. So always draw the normal first and then decide will it go towards the normal and away from the normal. Now this medium is denser medium with respect to water, with respect to air. This medium is rarer medium. So now you can check your notes. When the light rays is coming from denser medium and going to the rarer medium, it will move away from this normal, move away from this normal, move towards the normal, then from rarer to denser.
Yeah.
You should remember these things, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So anyone have doubt can ask me right now.
No, sir.
Okay. So I am just giving you a one question and you should try that question by yourself. Okay, all of you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a question for you, all of you. Suppose this is the interface and here is air and a light ray. This is the just hypothetical question. You can imagine this. I made this question myself by myself. So this is the normal and this is the interface, and a ray of light means is traveling from air like this. Okay, and this ray is making an angle of 45 degree, and after the refraction this ray is making an angle of 30 degree. Okay, and this is some medium, this is some medium x. Okay, and you have to find the refractive index of this medium x, and I am telling you all the values. Sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2 and sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So please tell me what is the value of refractive index n for this medium x. All of you, please try and tell me the answer. Same question as before.
Sir, root 2.
Okay. And Hamna and Arshia. Arshia, you should also try. Hamna, you should also try.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hamna, are you trying?
Yes, sir.
Completed? Hamna?
Sir, is it
Hmm?
root 2?
Arshia, your answer is root 2.
But I'm not sure.
Okay, no problem. You can tell me the answer whether is it right or wrong. No problem. Okay. So, and Hamna, what is your answer? Hamna, are you in the class? Okay. You can tell me the answer. You have 1 more minute. Okay, let's see, Hamna. I am solving. So refractive index is equal to sine of I divided by sine of R. What is sine of I here? Sine of I is, this
45.
is 45 degree. And sine of R is 30 degree given.
Yeah.
So I have told you the value of sine of 45 and
Yeah.
this also. So this will become 1 by root 2, and instead of division, when you will take the multiplication sign, so you will get 2 divided by root 2, and 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 2 times, and this is gone, so you will get the answer root 2. Okay guys, very good. So answer is root 2. Okay Hamna, got it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay beta, no problem. You can try the question at your home with some different book also. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute. Can you show again?
Okay. This is very easy questions. These are. Arshia got it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you should take the notes either of my class, or you can see my recorded lecture for the start. If you want the starting of this chapter, refraction of light, I have we have the recording also. You can check my recording lecture for the refraction at least. Okay,
Okay,
reflection
sir.
we will see, but for the refraction, this is the new topic, and this was the second lecture, so you can check my that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, and make the proper notes, and try to and try to revise the notes, okay, again and again, all of you.
Okay, sir.
Okay Sarah, okay Hamna,
Thank you, sir.
do you have any doubt, all of you?
No. No.
So these types of question you will get, and please, I am saying again and again, if you will revise your notes, then you will get more. So okay, that is fine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.